Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. So today, children, we will revise fractions. In that, what we have learned? Equivalent fractions. Equivalent fractions. So what is a fraction? What is a fraction?
Of a whole.
Fraction is a part of a whole. Fraction is a part of a whole. So what is equivalent fraction?
Fraction that denote the same part of the whole.
It denote the same part of a whole. Same fraction that denote
Same part of a whole.
same part of a whole.
Whole.
That is called equivalent fractions.
Equivalent
Okay.
fraction.
So children, we will revise this multiple choice from, I think some problem with the camera. Okay. So here, Mibel, can you read question number 1? Mibel?
When a whole is divided into two equal parts, each of them is called a half.
Half. Okay. So children, when a whole is divided into two parts, each part we can say that is a half. If it is divided into 4 parts, what we can say? 1/4. Okay. If it is divided into 4 parts, each part can be called as a quarter. If we are dividing into 2 parts, we can say that is a half.
Half.
Question number 2. Binu, can you? I think you don't have the workbook. Do you have the workbook with you?
Yes, ma'am. Page number
1.
1.
Part 2.
No.
Yes.
Part 2.
Page number 1. Question number 2.
1 minute, ma'am. Ma'am, can I?
Okay. Yes. Who is going to read now?
Another question.
Yes, Ananda.
When a whole is divided into 5 equal parts, each of them is called 1/5.
1/5. Okay. Because it is divided into how many parts? 5 parts.
5.
We are taking 1 part, 1/5. If you are taking 2 parts, we can say 2/5.
2 parts.
2/5. Here it is 1 part out of 5. So 1/5. Okay. And the Christian can read question number 3. Ananda?
Yes. Dash makes a whole 3 by 3.
3 by 3. I cannot see Ananda. Where Ananda, your camera is on?
Yes, on.
Okay, I can see. So dash makes a whole 3 by 3. So children, if the numerator and denominator are same.
Yes.
Okay, then it is a whole. So 3 by 3. So if the part is divided into 6 parts, what we can say 6 by 6 represent the whole. And if it is divided into 10 parts, 10 by 10. Okay. It is according to the number of parts. If both numerator and denominator are same, then it represents the whole. Okay. Okay, then question number 4.
The fraction,
The figure.
the figure, house shape,
Whose the figure
whose
whose
shape part represent the fraction 1 by 4.
Okay, which fraction is 1 by 4?
C.
C. Option C is 1 by 4. Look at option A, that represents 2 by 4. So you have to check both numerator and denominator, whether it is divided into 4 parts. And you have to look at the numerator also. Okay.
Which page?
Now children, can you tell me how you can make equivalent fractions? You know what is an equivalent fraction? Fraction that denote the same part of a whole. How you can make equivalent fraction? Very good, very good. Multiply or divide both numerator and denominator by the same number. Okay. So question number 5, Nora. Question number 5. You can unmute and read. Yes.
The fraction equivalent to 3 by 6 is 3 by 6.
3 by 6. You have to find out another equivalent fraction by multiply or divide. And check which option is correct.
9 by 18.
Huh?
Which?
D. Read that fraction.
By 18.
9 by 18. It's not audible. You can say louder. So can you tell me by which number you multiplied to get 9 by 18? 3 multiplied by which number? 3. Okay, 3 into 3 is 9. 6 into 3 is 18. So children, from 3 by 6 you can multiply to get 9 by 18. So 9 by 18, how you can move back? You can divide. Okay. So when you multiply, the numbers are becoming bigger. 9 by 18. So how from 9 by 18 you can go back to 3 by 6? By divide by 3. So divide by 3. So, multiply and divide, it makes equivalent fractions. Okay, question number 6, Algan. Question number 6. Yes, Algan, unmute.
I didn't clear what you're saying.
Can you read question number 6?
Page number, I didn't
Page number
hear
2.
saying.
Page number 2. Yes, Krishnesh. Page number 2, question number 6. Krishnesh.
The fraction represented
Yes,
by
Algan started.
and
The
by
fraction represented by
part of
unshaded part. Okay, children, you have to read the question clearly. Is it for shaded or for unshaded? So this is unshaded. How many? How many part is
2 by
unshaded?
4.
2 by 4. 2 by 4. Okay. Anamika, can you read question number 7?
Dash part of a whole.
Dash fractions denote the same part of a whole. Which fractions? Equivalent. Okay. Equivalent fractions denote the same part of a whole. Very good. Now, Krishnesh, question number 8.
Fraction representing
Represented by the shaded part. How many parts shaded? 6.
6 by 8.
6 by 8. So the number of parts shaded is the numerator and total number of parts. Total number of parts is 8. Okay, now next one also same. So I will read that. Fraction represented by the shaded part. How many shaded? That is 2
by 4.
And another one is the fraction represented, that is 3 by
3
4.
by 4.
So can you take out your rough book? I will give you 2 questions. Quickly. Take out your rough book. Write down these questions. So children, we were revising all the multiple questions from chapter 8.1. So now we are going to write questions in your rough book. Okay. Question number 1. Children, draw 6 by 8. You can draw circle or rectangle. No problem, but you have to draw 6 by 8. Then second question, find 2 equivalent fractions. Find 2 equivalent fractions of 2 by 3. 2 by 3. Okay, children, draw 6 by 8. You can draw rectangle or circle. Shade 6 parts from 8. You can draw roughly. Okay, don't make too much time. Then question number 2 is find 2 equivalent fractions of 2 by 3.
I cannot see the board.
Who cannot see the board?
Delna.
Delna. I will share it again. Check now. Yes, Delna?
No, ma'am.
Can you see now?
No.
I think some network problem. What about others? Can you see the board, children? Yes.
Yes,
So maybe because of the network. Okay, I'm going to share one more time. Please check. Otherwise, you can write in the rough book. I have said the question now. Draw 6 by 8. Draw 6 by 8. Second one, find two equivalent fractions, which is the fraction 2 by 3. So here, children, how you can draw here? 6 by 8. I can draw one circle. Make 6 equal parts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 by 8.
Now I get the
Now
board.
you
I
can
can
see
see
the
the board.
Okay. Draw 6 by 8. Now, children, please check that. Now, Niranjan, can you say the answer of question number 2, Niranjan? The question is 2
ma'am,
by
first
3.
one. Ma'am, this
First one is
first one.
over. First one is over. I want the answer of question number 2. 2 by 3. Give me some examples. 2 examples for equivalent fraction. Yes.
4 by 6.
Who is speaking the answer now?
Ma'am.
4 by 6. Yes. How you got this answer? By multiply by which number?
Into 2.
Into 2.
Into
Okay.
2.
So 2 times 2 is 4.
1 into 2,
3
2.
times 2 is 6. Okay. Now, but I want 2. I want one more example.
6 by 9.
6 by 9. Very good. Let me see how you got this answer. Multiplied by 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. Very good. So, children, 4 by 6 and 6 by 9 is correct. But you can make any answer. If you multiply by 10, you will get 20 by 30. If you multiply it by 5, 5 into 2 is 10. 3 into 5 is 15. 10 by 15. So, that is according to your wish. Okay, you can find out any answer. So, children, did you get the answers correct? Yes or no?
Yes.
children?
Not clear.
Please check the answers again.
Ma'am, not
Miss.
clear.
Because of the network problem here, it's okay. Yes. Okay, so children, I hope you have completed. Now, children, please take out page number 12, workbook. Page number 12. Okay, Algan, unmute. Krishnesh. Yes, children, can you tell me by how many questions we completed? Yes, Anandarshan.
Ma'am, till 18.
Till 18.
18.
19 is not completed?
No.
No. What about question number 21?
21 not completed.
Not. Okay. So children, because I think there was some network problem here, but all other class it's finished. So children, we will read, we will complete that today. Krishnesh, can you read question number 19? 19. A rectangle is divided into
Equal parts.
equal
Same
parts.
are shaded. Use different shades.
Okay, some parts are shaded using different shades. Okay. Like
Where
the fraction
none of each type of
shade in the
shaded
rectangle. Okay, so children, that rectangle is divided into equal parts, and we have Mivel, can you tell me which are the colors shaded inside? Yes, Mivel.
4.
Which are the colors? Can you tell me? Which colors are there? Yes, Algan. How many parts? Children, count how many parts. Yes, Aisha. Can you count how many rectangles are there? That big rectangle is divided into how many parts? Count. Yes, Ethan. Yes. 16.
16 what?
16 parts. Yes, Ethan. Which are the colors are there?
Green,
Green,
red,
red,
orange.
pink. Is it pink?
Some dark pink.
Okay. So we have to find out which fraction is colored more. Can you see which color is used more?
Orange.
How many parts?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8.
8. Okay. So which color is used less?
Pink.
Pink. How many? 3 by 16.
3.
Okay.
3
So
by.
we have to write this only. So total how many parts, children? Total number of parts is given as 16. Okay. So we will write now the total number of parts. I hope all of you got the page number 12. Question number 19. Right, we can write it faster. I told you, other classes we have already completed. Question number. Page number 12. Question number 19. Total number of parts. Total number of equal parts. Total number of equal parts. Total number of equal parts, 16. Yes, children, you can write it faster. Yes, Len. I want to now write for fraction 4. Which color is we have 8 by 16, Len?
Yes, ma'am.
Which color is used? 8 by 16.
Orange.
Orange. So, children, we can write next one, fraction for orange color. Fraction for? Fraction for orange color. Children, count properly and tell me, because in my book, all that figures are in black and white. So you have to tell me clearly. Fraction for orange color?
8.
8 by 16. So children, orange color is 8. And how we will write the fraction? 8 by the total number of parts. Okay.
8 by
Now,
16.
can you tell me the next 5 by 16, which color?
Fraction for orange.
Orange. Orange we have written
Yes. Green, man. Green.
green. Okay. So children, write fraction for green color. Fraction for green color. Children, I told you, in my book, all the book colors are black and white. So you have to count properly and tell me. So which color is 5 by 16? Green color. Yes? Fraction for green color. 5 by 16. Okay, Tonio, tell me pink color how many? Tonio.
Ma'am.
So we have written orange and green. So one more color is there. Which is that color?
Dark.
Pink. Okay. So tell me which is the fraction for pink color? How many pink color is there?
3 by 16.
3 by 16. Very good. So children, you can write the next step. Fraction for pink color.
Can you share the screen? I'm finished.
I am sharing the screen. Can you see the board?
No.
Who is that?
Tonio.
Tonio. Okay, so children, here fraction 4. Fraction 4. Pink color. Pink color is used. That is 3 by 16. 3 by 16. So total number of equal parts we have written, that is 16. Now we had to write a fraction for orange color, 8 by 16. Fraction for green color, 5 by 16. Fraction for pink color, 3 by 16.
Is orange.
So I will stop share and do again because maybe if your network is slow.
I cannot see your video.
How is it now? Okay, children, fraction for pink color. Okay, now the question is, write which shade is used the most. So we can
Orange.
say 8 by 16
Orange
is
used most.
orange color is used the most. And which color is the least? Pink.
Pink.
Okay, so we can write next sentence. 8 by 16 is the greatest.
Yes.
Children, write 8 by 16 is the greatest. 8 by 16 is the greatest because we can see the numerator is big.
Orange
8.
use more.
8 by 16 is the greatest. So orange color is used the most. So orange color is used the most. Next, what we can write? Which is the least which is used the least? Pink. So 3 by 16. Children, you can write 3 by 16 is the
orange.
3 by 16 is the
Use more.
least. 3 by 16 is the least. So pink color is used the least. So pink color is used the least.
P-I-N-K, pink color. Pink use L-E-A, least.
8 by 16 is the greatest, so orange color is used the most. 3 by 16 is the least, so pink color is used the least. Okay, children, question number 20 also same like this. It is given that circle. And we have same question like this.
Total 1, 2, 3,
Finished?
5, 6, 7.
So I will show you this again.
9, 11.
Question number 19. First, what you had to write? Total number of equal parts. So question number 20, you had to write like this. Which is the total number of equal parts? You had to write, count and write total number of equal parts. Then fraction for which colors are given there? Green, white, and orange. So fraction for green, fraction for white, fraction for orange. Then what we have to write here? Which is the greatest? So orange color is used the most. 3 by 16 is the least. So pink color is used the least. So same question, question number 20. Angelo, can you read question number 20? Nora finished. Yes, Angelo?
The equal part of a color circle are
Painted in different colors. Are you reading?
Where the fraction with color is used the most and
which is used the least.
used
Okay.
the least.
So same question number 19. The shape was rectangle. Here the shape is circle. So how many equal parts are there? Can you count how many total parts are there?
12.
12. Okay. So children, we can start. All these children whose camera is off. Binu, Bennett, Steve, Arav, Aiden, Noel and all. Please turn on your camera. So we can write question number 20. Total number of equal parts. Total number of equal parts. Total number of equal parts. Which is equal to 12. So you can children write, count and write fraction for green color. Fraction for green color. Akshaj, tell me how many green color are there in question number 20? Count and tell me. Yes, Akshaj, unmute. Not unmuted. Yes, Mabel, can you tell me how many green color are there? 6. Okay. How many?
6.
6. So how we can write as a fraction? 6 by total number. 6 by 12. Children write for like this for white and orange. Fraction for white color. Fraction for white. White color. Fraction for white color. Yes, Algan, can you tell me how many white color?
2.
So it is 2 by 12. 2 by 12. Next, which is color? Fraction for orange. Orange color. How many orange? Yes. Yes, another question. How many orange color?
Ma'am.
How many orange color?
4.
So the fraction is 4 by 12. 4 by 12. So which color is used more? Green. Because we have 6 by 12. So in the next sentence, children, we can write 6 by 12 is the most. So green color is used the most. So children, we can write first 6 by 12 is the 6 by 12 is the same like question number 19 we are writing. Okay. 6 by 12 is the greatest. 6 by 12 is the greatest. So green color is used the most. So green. Yes, then. Okay. So green color is used the most. Green color. Green color is used the most. Use the most. Then which is the least? 2 by 12. 2 by 12 is the least. So white color is used the least. 2 by 12 is the least. 2 by 12 is the least. So white color is used the least. Okay, so 6 by 12 is the greatest. So you look at the numerator, 6 is bigger number. All the denominators are same, 12. So we will look at the numerator. 6 is greater. So which color is used the most? Green color is used the most. 2 by 12. Look at the numerator. 2 is smaller, small number. So it is the least. So white color is used the least. So children, look at here. Again, so where we started, question number 20, total number of equal parts. Total number of equal parts is how much? 12. And fraction for green color, white color, and orange color. So green is 6 by 12. White is 2 by 12. Orange is 4 by 12. That is the next step. Then what we have written, 6 by 12 is the greatest. So green color is used the most. 2 by 12 is the least. So white color is used the least. I will send the notes in the WhatsApp. Okay, children? So children, we were revising in the last class division, and today fraction, equivalent fractions.
Excuse me,
So,
ma'am, we completed 21 and 22.
yeah, 21 and 22. I hope we have completed that time. So question, children, I will send the next class revision test link of chapter 7 and 8 together. So children, what we have to do, if you have not revised properly, read the all the questions, especially the multiple choice questions. And otherwise division also we will get, but you can keep one rough book also with you. Then you can do the calculations, then click check which option is correct. Okay. So in the next class, we will do revision test with the Google form. So you revise chapter 7 and chapter 8. 8.2, this fraction is not there for exam, but we have 8.1 equivalent fraction is there for exam.
Ma'am,
Okay. Then,
ma'am,
yes, attendance. It's not audible, Len, some network issue.
ma'am, at which time?
What?
Time.
Exam.
Exam.
That we have in our class. We have math period now. In our math period only.
Yes.
Okay. So children, bye. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.